Once you are finished drawing your city and you got 4 or 5 buildings and all the details you want, you need a piece of foam and some tape, which I will have at my desk. You only need 2 pieces of tape. Make sure the important parts of your city are on top of the foam. I'm just putting 1 piece at the top, 1 piece at the bottom, so it stays put and it's easy to get off our foam. Then you need a pen, and the pen needs to have a metal tip. It needs to be what's called a ballpoint pen. We do not want a pen that's got a soft, fluffy tip on the end, because we're using the pen as a tool in order to leave dents in our foam. So I'm going to use a ruler as well, and I'm carefully tracing all the lines that I drew. The pen technically doesn't even need to work. Its only job is to leave dents in your foam, which you will see once I am finished. Now all my lines are traced on the entire picture. Time for the big reveal. We're going to take your initial sketch that you have and we need to remove it, but we have to remove it without bending the foam or it'll crack and break. So the best way, fastest way, is to just tear it down the center. And it's hard to see on here, but there are a bunch of lines left behind by my tracing. And if your lines are not very deep, you can go over them again. You don't have to use a pen. You can always use a normal wood pencil. Do not use a mechanical pencil on foam because it's very pointy and it will end up tearing a hole in your foam. You also do not want to use a wood pencil that is really sharp. It'll do the same thing. It'll leave a hole in your foam. So if your lines aren't super deep, you can always go over them one more time while looking directly at them, because we want a nice trench created by your lines. That way when we do the printmaking, we'll roll ink on top of this and then your lines, your buildings will show up. We'll be able to see them a lot better.